Hi guys, this activity is called the long chain, and the long chain takes a lot of space. So here I have a tablecloth spread out over my dinner table, and I'm on the edge of the table over here, and I have a lot of space going that way. So for this activity, if you have a table that you can cover with a tablecloth, that would be awesome. If your family doesn't use tablecloths, you could also spread out like a clean bed sheet, or you could use the carpet if you have short carpet on the floor. But if you are on the floor, make sure there are no dogs or pets in the house, and that little brothers or sisters know not to step over your work, okay, or grab the beads. All right, so pause the video and check in with your parents where would be the best space to do this work. All right, go. Okay, for the long chain, we are going to use all 10 of the beads in each color. So we're going to start with the ones, and I'm going to put this on the far edge of my table so I have lots of room that way. Okay, so do this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I want you to notice something. So it looks like we have a long chain, right? Now notice I tried to put these as close together as possible. There are actually beads like this that are linked together and you just stretch them out to make a long chain. We don't have those, so we're just putting them so that it looks like they're touching. And actually I could put these a little closer together. All right, let's do the twos next. So I have one set of twos, and again I'm going to line it up as best I can on the far left. Okay. Here's another one. Okay, and we'll just keep going until we've used all the twos beads. All right. And I should say, just like before, you can challenge yourself by reading off the multiples of 2. So you could go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And of course, if you don't remember, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Okay, so you can do that part on your own as a challenge. All right, let's do one more. I don't know if the threes are going to fit in the frame of this video, but let's give it a try. I'm going to line up my threes and lay them out in a chain, in a long chain. Okay. Oh, I think it's going to just barely fit. Look at that. I have 2 more threes beads to go. Wow. Oh, it's just barely out of the frame. Okay, another way you can challenge yourself is you can ask, what multiplication equation is this showing? So I have threes taken how many times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's showing 3 times 10. That equals 30. Okay, I am going to stop there, but I would like for you to continue. You'll do the long chain of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh my goodness, this might just take up your whole floor or your whole tabletop. All right, and again, I would love to see a picture of this when you're all done. You don't have to, it's not required, but you can if you would like to. And most importantly, We're going to put everything back when we're done. Okay? All right, friends. See you next time. Have fun making the long chains.